Hello, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I think I know I sometimes feeling good. I am very heavy, and I think you can watching me, and I want to show your eye, and I am iPhone data recovery like a fast. You can delete your private photos and videos. You can recover easily. Do watching me, and you can watching me and do subscribe, and I think do recover your data. First thing, you can using Apple product, you can using Android device, you can making tab computer and easily recover your phone data very fast. First thing, you can use USB pen drive and using very OTG very fast data recover your device. First thing, not using your app like a data recovery deleted your device, and you thinking like how to recover your device data, photos, videos. So recover your data like a fast. First thing, you can recover your data photos. First thing, like a pro and data recovery easily using your Chrome browser and search how to recover your data easily, and you can searching like this and showing like a pro. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. धन्यवाद.